Is the dream of global unity just that, a dream? Hey everyone, it's Jay, and today we're diving into a complex but crucial topic, and that's the reality versus the idea of global unity. Now, on one hand, we have this beautiful vision of a world united and living in harmony, and it is a noble aspiration. But if we pause and think about it for a moment, is it realistic? Humanity is a tapestry of diverse beliefs, cultures, and perspectives. So can we really expect complete agreement across our planet? No. So believing in total global unity, it can actually be dangerous if it oversimplifies our world's complex issues. It's a mindset that might overlook the real conflicts and challenges that need addressing, issues like inequality and injustice. Now, conflict, while uncomfortable, it is a part of our growth and change. It's not the existence of conflict that's the issue, it's how we handle it. And unity does not mean we all agree on everything all the time. It's about working together despite our differences for common goals. But here's another crucial thought. Maybe true unity starts within us. Maybe it's about aligning our own body and soul and mind. Because when we are grounded and when we're unified internally, we interact with the world more harmoniously. So what if today, right now, we redefine unity? Not as a global melting pot where all of our differences just vanish, but as a mosaic, a world where we respect, understand, and find strength in our diversity. I think that's what we should aim for. Aim for unity in diversity, not uniformity. Let's be unified in our respect for differences, in our quest for peace, and in our actions for a just world. That's the unity we need, one that's grounded, realistic, and inclusive. So please, my friend, share your thoughts. Let's discuss, how do you find unity within yourself, and how do you see it playing out in our world? Remember, unity starts with you and I. So until next time, stay mindful, stay connected, and stay unified, my friend. I'll see you soon.